Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss about context and scope in the Kotlin. So in the Kotlin, context and scope are the most important topic for the interview purpose. Okay. So context in Kotlin represents the information about the environment in a coroutine or a component that are running. Okay. So as you can see, we can uh, let's see the example of the coroutine context in the Kotlin. So in the Kotlin coroutines, coroutine context is a collection of elements that defines behavior and includes job, which is actually the control lifecycle of the coroutine, dispatcher, which determines the thread, okay, and coroutine name that assigns a name of a coroutine. Okay, so this is one of the example for the quarantine, or we can say the quarantine context. Okay, so in the Android, context provides access to the system resource like activities, services, and databases. This is one of the example that I have written. So let's talk about the scope in the quarantine. So this is one of the simpler definition that I can write. So it defines a boundary within which quarantines run. Okay, and helps in managing the quarantine life cycle accordingly. Okay, so there are different types of quarantine scopes inside the Kotlin. So one of the type is global scope. It can we can say the it lives throughout the app but not recommended for the structural okay. Let's talk about the coroutine scope. It created manually, we have to create manually. Okay, I will also show you the how we can create a coroutine scope in this example. Okay, and we have the lifecycle scope available in the Kotlin. I will also show you the example of it. Okay, so this is the example for the coroutine scope, and this is one of the scope, or we can say the coroutine we will use mostly inside our Android applications. Okay, and that's how we can use it. If you wanted to know what's its delay, so we can say it will delay a process for the 1 second. This thousand will we can say as the 1 second time. This is determined as the 1000 mm, which equals to 1 second. Okay, so they are the key differences now in the definition. We can say the context defines the execution environment. Scope defines the lifecycle boundary for the coroutines. Okay, usability specify how where the coroutines runs. For the context controls the lifecycle of it. It's for the scope. Okay, this is one of the example for the context, and this is one of the example for the scope. Okay, all right. So this is one of the interview question for the Kotlin, and you can also get this link for the article inside the discussion of the video. And thanks for watching.